In a significant shift that underscores the evolving landscape of digital search technology, Apple is reportedly preparing to diversify its search capabilities within the Safari browser, moving away from its long-standing reliance on Google. This strategic pivot comes amid a notable decline in Google's usage metrics, prompting Apple to explore partnerships with various AI-driven search alternatives. The implications of this transition could be profound, potentially reshaping user experiences and the competitive dynamics of the search engine market. As reported by multiple sources including 9to5Mac and Bloomberg, Apple's initiative is part of a broader strategy to integrate artificial intelligence into its search functionalities. The company aims to enhance the efficiency and relevance of search results, leveraging AI to provide a more personalized experience for Safari users. A key component of this strategy involves collaborating with emerging AI search platforms, signaling Apple's intent to not only optimize search performance but also to assert greater control over its digital ecosystem. The timing of this move is particularly noteworthy. Recent data suggests that Google's dominance in the search engine market is waning, with alternative search engines gaining traction among users. This trend has prompted Apple to reconsider its long-term partnership with Google, which has been a cornerstone of its search functionality for years. By exploring AI search alternatives, Apple is positioning itself to not only reclaim market share but also to enhance its value proposition for users who increasingly seek more relevant and customized search experiences. Apple's strategic shift towards AI-driven search is indicative of a larger trend in the tech industry, where companies are striving to leverage advanced technologies to improve user engagement and satisfaction, said a tech analyst familiar with the developments. This move could redefine how users interact with their browsers and the internet at large. In conjunction with the potential changes in Safari, Apple is also rolling out the release candidate for iOS 18.5, which includes various enhancements aimed at optimizing the user experience across its devices. As Apple continues to integrate AI into its broader product ecosystem, the focus on improving search functionality could serve as a critical differentiator in an increasingly competitive market. Meanwhile, other tech companies are also ramping up their efforts in AI development. SAS Institute, for example, recently unveiled updates to its VIA platform aimed at enhancing AI governance and development capabilities. These enhancements reflect a growing recognition within the tech community of the importance of responsible AI practices and the need for robust governance frameworks as AI becomes increasingly integrated into business operations. As the landscape evolves, the intersection of AI and user-centric design will likely become a focal point for tech companies. Apple's decision to explore AI-driven search options within Safari not only highlights the company's commitment to innovation but also raises questions about the future of search technology and the role of established players like Google. Looking ahead, it will be essential to monitor how these developments unfold. Apple's ability to successfully implement AI search capabilities could set a new standard for browsers while also influencing user expectations across the digital ecosystem. As competition intensifies and new players emerge, the implications for user engagement and market dynamics could be substantial, ushering in a new era of intelligent, responsive search experiences. The AI for sales and marketing market is poised for unprecedented growth, projected to surge from $57.99 billion in 2025 to an astonishing $240.58 billion by 2030, representing a compound annual growth rate (CAGR) of 32.9%. This robust expansion is driven by an increasing demand for automation, personalized customer engagement, and data-driven insights that enhance lead generation and customer segmentation. As businesses increasingly seek to optimize their sales strategies and marketing return on investment (ROI), the integration of advanced technologies like natural language processing (NLP) and machine learning is becoming essential. According to a recent report by Research and Markets, the AI for sales and marketing market is broad, encompassing offerings such as customer relationship management (CRM) systems, chatbots, digital marketing tools, and customer data platforms (CDP). The report highlights that while the sales agent software segment is expected to hold the largest market share, Chatbots and conversational marketing tools are leading in terms of growth rate. Sales agent software is expected to witness the fastest growth due to the increasing utilization of AI tools that enhance productivity and automate repetitive tasks, the report states. The rise of chatbots and conversational marketing tools has been notable, with their widespread implementation allowing businesses to automate customer interactions, thereby improving lead conversion rates. As industries adopt AI-driven chatbots for 24/7 customer support and personalized recommendations, the demand for these tools continues to escalate. The integration of NLP and machine learning has enabled chatbots to deliver human-like responses, significantly enhancing customer experience and loyalty. Geographically, the Asia-Pacific region is forecasted to experience rapid growth in this sector, driven by digital transformation initiatives, increased AI investments, and a surge in automation across various industries. Meanwhile, North America is expected to maintain its dominance in market size, bolstered by the presence of major AI technology providers and high adoption rates of AI-driven CRM and marketing tools. However, the market does not come without its challenges. High implementation costs, data privacy concerns, and integration issues with legacy systems remain significant barriers to widespread adoption. Furthermore, apprehensions regarding job displacement and the ethical implications of AI usage are critical considerations for stakeholders. As the market evolves, the development of explainable AI models and privacy-preserving machine learning techniques could help address these concerns, enabling businesses to extract valuable insights from customer data while ensuring compliance. The report outlines various dynamics in the AI for sales and marketing market, identifying key drivers such as the emergence of real-time processing capabilities and the need for businesses to understand customer intent. Conversely, it notes the struggles AI faces in interpreting complex human emotions and the authenticity needed for high-conversion sales outreach. Despite these challenges, opportunities abound, particularly in the convergence of augmented reality (AR) and AI, which could lead to immersive product demonstrations tailored to individual customer preferences. Notable case studies illustrate the tangible benefits of AI integration in sales and marketing. For instance, Concept Sales has significantly reduced video production costs by 66% through AI-powered solutions, while companies like Ulrich and Leica Geosystems have reported impressive boosts in lead conversions through the use of advanced AI assistants. As businesses navigate this rapidly evolving landscape, key players such as IBM, Microsoft, Google, and Salesforce are at the forefront, shaping the future of AI in sales and marketing. These companies are not only investing in research and development but are also actively exploring new AI applications that promise to redefine how businesses engage with customers. In conclusion, as the AI for sales and marketing sector continues to grow, stakeholders must remain vigilant about the challenges while embracing the opportunities that come with technological advancements. The next few years will likely see significant innovations that could further transform the landscape, making it imperative for businesses to adapt swiftly to remain competitive in an increasingly AI-driven market. The ongoing developments in AI technologies will undoubtedly play a crucial role in shaping the strategies of companies looking to enhance their sales and marketing efforts in the future. In an era where technology increasingly intertwines with daily life, the Ray-Ban Meta smart glasses have captured the attention of consumers and tech enthusiasts alike. These innovative spectacles, equipped with a camera, open-ear speakers, microphones, and voice-activated Meta AI, have moved beyond their initial novelty, evolving into a practical companion for everyday activities. Recently, two compelling narratives emerged surrounding these glasses, one from a user reflecting on 6 months of experience and another highlighting their transformative impact on those with vision impairments. A detailed review from a Lifehacker contributor offers an insightful look into the practicalities of the Ray-Ban Meta glasses. Initially, the allure of the technology drew the reviewer in, leading to the integration of prescription lenses and a routine reliance on the device. However, as the novelty faded, the user encountered the realities of daily wear. Weighing in at 54 grams with prescription lenses, the glasses proved slightly cumbersome for extended periods, prompting the reviewer to revert to standard eyewear during moments of non-usage. Nonetheless, the glass's durability and classic design remained commendable, with no significant wear and tear reported after half a year of use. Battery life emerged as a notable concern. While Meta claims an up to 4 hours usage, the reviewer found this to be optimistic, particularly during extended outings where documentation through photos or videos was desired. The glass's case did provide a charging solution. However, the frequent need for charging became a nuisance, especially when the low battery notifications proved unmanageable without disabling all notifications. Social perceptions also played a significant role in the user's experience. Initially flying under the radar, the glasses began to attract attention as awareness of their capabilities grew. Questions about privacy and surveillance surfaced, leading to mixed feelings about wearing the device in public. Despite these concerns, the reviewer praised the camera as the most beneficial feature, noting that its ease of use and quality were sufficient for casual photography, though not a replacement for a traditional camera. In a different context, the Ray-Ban Meta glasses have become a beacon of hope for those with vision impairments. Tom Young, a resident of West Lampeter Township, shared his experience with the glasses at VisionCore, a non-profit dedicated to helping individuals with vision loss. Young, who suffers from macular degeneration, highlighted how the glasses have redefined his independence. By leveraging the glasses' optical character recognition capabilities, he can now read newspapers, check grocery prices, and navigate daily tasks with ease. Using a magnifying glass gets very tiring, he remarked, illustrating the profound impact of this technology on his quality of life. The glasses, which retail for $299, are positioned as a more affordable alternative to existing vision-assistive technologies, which can soar into the thousands of dollars. Occupational therapist Taylor Newswanger emphasized the glasses' role in providing auditory assistance without straining the eyes, offering a multifaceted approach to combating the challenges posed by vision loss. This integration of technology in daily routines not only enhances practicality but also fosters a renewed sense of independence among users. As the conversation around the Ray-Ban Meta glasses evolves, so too does the technology itself. Wayman Bannerman and Micah McDonald's styling duo for high-profile clients utilized the glasses during the recent Met Gala to capture behind-the-scenes content hands-free. Their experience underscores the glasses' versatility, serving both functional and aesthetic purposes in the fast-paced world of fashion. Looking ahead, the future of the Ray-Ban Meta glasses appears bright, as potential enhancements could further solidify their place in both consumer tech and assistive technology markets. The ongoing dialogue surrounding privacy concerns and technological integration will likely shape future iterations. Whether they become an everyday staple or a specialized tool for those in need, the Ray-Ban Meta glasses are undeniably at the forefront of a new technological frontier that blends fashion functionality and independence. In a significant move for environmental oversight and operational efficiency, Elon Musk's xAI has begun the process of removing several controversial natural gas turbines from its Memphis data center. This decision follows the recent activation of a new electricity substation, which has allowed the company to reduce its reliance on temporary power sources that have faced scrutiny from environmental advocates. Since its inception in July 2024, xAI's Memphis facility has been pivotal in supporting its Colossus supercomputer, a key player in training the AI chatbot Grok. Initially, the data center operated with approximately 35 natural gas turbines generating 422 megawatts MW of power. However, the use of these turbines has drawn protests from local environmental groups, particularly after allegations surfaced last month that some units were operating without the necessary permits, potentially breaching the Clean Air Act. In a statement released through the Memphis Chamber of Commerce, xAI confirmed the removal of an undisclosed number of these turbines, with plans to transition the remaining units to backup power status once the new substation, referred to as Substation Number 22, is completed. The temporary natural gas turbines that were being used to power the Phase 1 GPUs prior to grid connection are now being demobilized and will be removed from the site over the next 2 months. The statement read: The full operational capacity of the data center is expected to be enhanced further when a second substation is connected to the electric grid by fall 2025. As XAI navigates the complexities of energy consumption and regulatory compliance, the company is also in discussions with Memphis Light, Gas and Water (MLGW) regarding the power requirements for a planned second data center in the city. This facility, located on a newly acquired 1 million square foot site, could demand as much as 1.1 gigawatts GW of power. Interestingly, MLGW is yet to receive a formal request for power consumption from XAI for this new site, which is situated near the South Haven combined cycle natural gas power plant. Elon Musk's ambitions in Memphis extend beyond just the current data center. The company's plans to double the existing facility's capacity are already underway, with the addition of 100,000 NVIDIA Hopper GPUs to bolster its operations. As Musk continues to expand XAI's infrastructure, the balancing act between meeting energy demands and adhering to environmental standards will be critical. Meanwhile, the broader implications of these developments reflect a growing tension between tech companies' energy needs and community concerns over environmental impacts. As data centers proliferate across the globe, the precedents set by XAI in Memphis could influence how similar operations manage their power sources and engage with local stakeholders. In conclusion, as XAI navigates this intricate landscape, the success of its energy strategy will not only affect its operational capabilities but also shape public perception and regulatory frameworks surrounding data center power consumption. The coming months will be crucial as the company transitions to a greener energy model while preparing for significant expansions. With a focus on sustainability, XAI could redefine standards for the tech industry's energy consumption practices, potentially leading to a positive shift in community relations and environmental stewardship. In a move that has sparked significant interest in the future of retail, Elon Musk recently announced a merger between his artificial intelligence company XAI and X, the platform formerly known as Twitter. This union aims to leverage the capabilities of XAI's chatbot Grok to reshape how consumers interact with brands and search for products online. As traditional search methods become increasingly obsolete, the implications of this merger could redefine the landscape of e-commerce and digital marketing. Grok, which competes with notable AI chatbots such as OpenAI's ChatGPT and Google's Gemini, represents a significant shift in how consumers access information. Adrian Menard, CEO of digital search consultancy Botify, emphasizes the transformative nature of AI chatbots, stating previously, consumers did their own research. Now chatbots provide summarized answers directly. This fundamental change poses challenges for companies that have relied heavily on Google for visibility, as a shift towards AI-driven search could disrupt their established marketing strategies. The merger is strategically timed, with reports indicating that nearly 50% of online searches now occur outside of traditional search engines, particularly on platforms like Amazon and social media. According to Sabrina McPherson, Senior Vice President of Digital Business Strategy and Transformation at Publicis Sapient, traditional search is dead. This evolution may force brands to rethink their approach to customer engagement and product discovery. Integrating XAI's advanced AI capabilities into X presents a dual opportunity. It enhances the user experience on social media while simultaneously allowing Grok to continuously learn from the vast amounts of data generated by users. This could provide Grok a competitive edge by enriching its knowledge base, enabling it to deliver more relevant and personalized responses. Moreover, as industry players adapt to these changes, many are considering the potential of combining AI chatbots with influencer marketing. Juan Olia, Vice President of Commerce at Influential, highlights that Gen Z consumers are increasingly inclined to rely on influencers for product recommendations. Gen Z consumers come into a store and say, "I want this," and show a screen to a sales associate, he notes, underscoring the importance of influencer partnerships in driving consumer behavior. However, the transition to AI-driven retail is not without its challenges. Experts like Lori Schaefer, CEO of Digital Wave Technology, warn that retailers must focus on creating conversational structured quality content to ensure their visibility in an AI-dominated landscape. Furthermore, as Dominic Angerer, CEO of Storyblock, points out, brands must have online content that directly answers consumer queries and increases their presence across various platforms to attract AI chatbots. As the industry grapples with these changes, chatbots are rapidly evolving. Reports indicate that ChatGPT is developing a shopping feature that will allow users to purchase items directly through the chatbot, similar to existing functionalities on Google Shopping. This evolution signifies a potential convergence of AI and e-commerce that could further transform consumer shopping habits. Yet while the future appears promising for AI-driven retail, it also raises questions about the environmental impact of such technology. Elon Musk's xAI has faced backlash in Memphis, where its energy-intensive operations have reportedly contributed to increased pollution and health issues among local residents. The company's reliance on methane gas turbines, which lack necessary pollution controls, has become a point of contention, illustrating the broader implications of rapidly expanding AI infrastructures. As the debate continues over the balance between technological advancement and environmental responsibility, the merger of xAI and X marks a pivotal moment in the evolution of retail. The integration of AI into social media platforms promises to enhance consumer experiences, but it also necessitates a re-evaluation of marketing strategies and ethical considerations surrounding the technology. Looking ahead, as AI agents emerge, software that actively engages on behalf of users, the landscape of digital retail will likely continue to evolve at a rapid pace. The advent of AI-driven retail strategies suggests that businesses must remain agile, adapting to new technologies and consumer behaviors. As the industry navigates these uncharted waters, the future of retail appears to be on the brink of a significant transformation, one that could redefine the way consumers interact with brands for years to come. In a significant move that positions OpenAI as a leader in the global artificial intelligence landscape, the organization has unveiled plans for an ambitious initiative dubbed OpenAI for Countries. This strategy aims to promote the development of democratic artificial intelligence by expanding its existing infrastructure, particularly the Stargate project, beyond U.S. borders. As geopolitical tensions rise, this initiative appears to be a calculated response to counterbalance China's growing influence in AI technology. OpenAI's Global Affairs Vice President Chris Lahane emphasized the importance of this endeavor during a recent announcement. This investment will be above and beyond what we're looking at in the U.S., he stated, highlighting the initiative's intent to harness America's technological edge to advocate for democratic values such as free speech and market integrity. The Stargate project, which President Donald Trump first introduced in January, is expected to involve a staggering investment of up to $500 billion in developing U.S. AI infrastructure with aspirations for international collaboration. Although specific details on financing and project execution remain scarce, OpenAI is targeting partnerships with traditional U.S. allies, including France, the UK, and Germany, to establish new data centers. The company aims to strike deals that reflect a commitment to developing AI aligned with democratic principles, while also potentially granting allied nations access to advanced U.S. semiconductor technology essential for building cutting-edge AI models. In a concurrent development, OpenAI has made headlines with its recent acquisition of Windsurf, an AI-assisted coding tool previously known as Codium, for approximately $3 billion. This acquisition marks OpenAI's largest purchase to date and is poised to enhance the coding functionalities of its flagship product, ChatGPT. As the competition in AI-powered coding assistants intensifies, this strategic move positions OpenAI to better compete against rivals such as Anthropic and Microsoft's GitHub. The acquisition comes on the heels of a broader fundraising effort, with OpenAI reportedly seeking to raise up to $40 billion, led by SoftBank Group, aiming for a valuation of $300 billion. This would not only bolster OpenAI's resources in the lucrative AI market, but also reflect its rapid growth, evidenced by a surge in weekly active users from 300 million to over 400 million in just a few months. As OpenAI continues to navigate these ambitious initiatives and acquisitions, the tech community is left to ponder the implications of its expansion plans and the strategic partnerships it forges worldwide. The company's commitment to democratic AI development suggests a future where ethical considerations are paramount in the global AI arms race, potentially reshaping the competitive landscape in technology and geopolitics. With the Stargate initiative and the Windsurf acquisition, OpenAI is not just enhancing its product offerings but also redefining its role on the world stage. Looking ahead, observers will be keenly watching how these developments unfold and what they mean for the future of AI globally. In a rapidly evolving technological landscape, the intersection of artificial intelligence and industry is increasingly shaping the future. Recently, Demis Hassabis, the CEO of Google DeepMind, addressed students, urging them to prepare for a world where AI will redefine the very fabric of various sectors, from coding to enzyme design. This call to action comes amid significant advancements in AI capabilities, including Google's latest update to its Gemini model and the emergence of innovative startups like LEGO Biosciences. Google's revamped Gemini 2.5 Pro AI model, described by Hassabis as the best coding model the company has ever built, showcases an impressive leap in web development capabilities. The updated model has climbed to the top of the LM Arena coding benchmarks and the WebDev Arena leaderboard, surpassing its predecessor by 147 ELO points. This ranking measures the model's ability to create aesthetically pleasing and functional web applications, indicating a noteworthy advancement in the user experience for developers. We're excited about the latest Gemini 2.5 Pro, which builds on its already strong real-world coding capabilities, said a Google spokesperson, highlighting improvements in code transformation, editing, and workflow development. The significance of this update cannot be overstated. By addressing key developer feedback, Google aims to reduce errors in function calling and enhance the overall coding experience. As AI continues to evolve, tools like Gemini 2.5 Pro will likely play a crucial role in simplifying complex coding tasks, making technology more accessible to a broader audience. The model is now available through various platforms, including Google's Vertex AI and AI Studio, allowing developers to vibe code and create interactive applications with greater ease. Meanwhile, the startup landscape is buzzing with innovation, particularly with the rise of LEGO Biosciences. Founded by former Oxford students Edward Harris, Emily Edgerton Warburton, and Arta Garisi, LEGO is on a mission to revolutionize enzyme design using generative deep learning models. Their journey began in 2021, inspired by the launch of AlphaFold 2, which sparked discussions about the potential of AI in biology. "We didn't want to wait 10 years for regulatory approval," Harris stated, reflecting their desire to create immediate, impactful solutions. LEGO's approach aims to transform the enzyme engineering process, traditionally a slow and resource-intensive task involving directed evolution. By leveraging AI, LEGO seeks to streamline enzyme design, making it faster, cheaper, and more sustainable. Their breakthrough moment arrived when they openly shared their version of AlphaFold 3, which garnered significant attention from both the scientific community and investors. "It showed we had the technical capabilities," the founders noted, emphasizing the importance of transparency in scientific innovation. As LEGO progresses, it aims to address the environmental challenges posed by traditional chemical manufacturing methods. Enzymes, if designed effectively, could reduce energy consumption and minimize waste, offering a cleaner alternative to conventional catalysts. Enzymes already outperform traditional catalysts in many cases, but they're hard to design. "That's the bottleneck we're solving," Harris explained. The developments at Google and LEGO Biosciences highlight a broader trend in technology where AI is not just enhancing existing processes but also creating entirely new avenues for innovation. As these technologies continue to advance, they promise to reshape industries, drive sustainability, and open up new possibilities for creators and developers alike. Looking ahead, the synergy between AI and various sectors will likely deepen, leading to more breakthroughs that challenge our understanding of what is possible. The call from leaders like Hasabi's and the strides made by startups like Lego serve as a reminder that we are on the cusp of a transformative era, one where the potential of AI can be harnessed to meet both economic and environmental challenges. The future is not just about adapting to change, it's about embracing it and leveraging it to create a better world.